Keep doing your artwork. I'll capture it. Y'all do such nice artwork. Sure.
You could label it. You know, actually, I'm gonna have gold surfboard. Oh. I'm just gonna die. Here, go play. Go put him down. You can crawl now? Yeah. Awesome. See? Love that. Look.
Let him do it. Let's see if he'll do it.
Wait. Yes!
Good job, Luke.
Do you remember playing with
Yeah!
your little mouse? Come here, friend.
So close. Good job. Where's the box? There you go. The must be for him. You want to close that? There we go. I'll spread these around so we can go for whatever we want. Brother, can you do something?
Let him be, Madeline. Why do you move all this stuff?
And then, so he can go pick whatever he wants.
Okay.
But he's over here.
Where are you going? Where are you going?
He can't roll. He can only roll one way. Daddy bloody nose. No, I don't believe that. Yeah, really?
That happened.
Don't you remember? He actually didn't. I hear it like Madeline, I hear it like Madeline, watch this. I hear his apron. Oh, he's over here. Mr. Chubby Cheeks.
Is he high?
Woofy. He does that. He pushes
Boy.
himself into mommy.
Boy.
Oh, no. That together, but I think it either needs slats or a
Oh my gosh, look!
bed frame with the box frame.
Yeah.
Mommy,
which
he's
we
using
never
a
had.
hammer.
Oh, okay. What did you have, like?
If I had a hammer,
Yeah, we ordered
I
it
had
and
a
they
a hammer in the morning,
wooden
a
pallets.
hammer in the
So I think I'm gonna take
evening.
the pallets apart if they're long enough
I was
and
gonna
just
say, you could use them as
yeah,
slats.
just use that if it's long enough. Of course, my like it'll be just a hair too little. So I'm like, because I got in it. Once you put the dresser and the bookcase under it, it holds it up. But there's like a part that sinks. I'm like, that's
Is it a
not gonna be
loft
good.
bed?
Yeah. It's
Oh,
loft
it's
bed,
another
yeah.
loft bed.
Mhm, but it's not as
Okay.
big and chunky.
As the one she had at the other house, or is it similar?
It's
Well, that's a good one for a
it's
ski.
a little bit more compact.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's a little bit more compact.
Dad has
When they sing,
Oh, I've seen
person
that.
has like a
Yeah.
little cough, but I've used it when I was sick. Because I don't think it gets the whole room. I gotta just like
Yeah.
on it and snort it.
Right.
But yeah, between her and I.
Helps her to breathe.
Gosh, yeah,
Hey.
it looks just like Carlson.
Hey, where you you going over it?